A pan filled with boiling oil. A splash of water added. It looks like an innocent gesture, almost routine. But in an instant, calm turns into chaos. Water, heavier than oil, sinks to the bottom. There, the temperature exceeds 300 degrees. The water doesn't boil, it explodes. In a fraction of a second, it shifts from liquid to gas, expanding its volume up to 1,700 times. The steam expands with staggering force, hurling the oil upward. The air ignites, the flame rises, alive, sudden, like a tiny kitchen volcano. This is the boil-over phenomenon, a lesson in physics hidden within everyday gestures. Beneath the surface of many volcanoes, groundwater meets incandescent magma. And just like in boiling oil, the water flashes instantly into vapor, multiplies its volume, and shatters the magma into billions of glowing particles. This marks the beginning of a phreatomagmatic eruption, the geological version of a boil-over on a planetary scale. The steam expands horizontally, dragging ash and rock fragments with it, creating pressure waves and gray clouds that open like a warm, deep breath. Over thousands of years, this interaction between water and fire has shaped the Phlegraean fields. Low, wide, sprawling craters, the traces of phreatomagmatic eruptions that released more steam than pumice, ash, or lapilli. Here, the land does not rise toward the sky, but opens outward, breathing slowly. In the Phlegraean fields, we recognize the principle that drives phreatomagmatic eruptions. When water meets fire, transformation is inevitable. From the bottom of a pan to the heart of the planet.